In this video, Scott's going to show you how to quickly and easily remove the skin from the back side of your freshly cut halibut fillet. And if you like this video, make sure you like our page to see more, as well as go down below and there's a link if you want to know what gear we use when we catch halibut. This is Jamie Peth from Anglers Unlimited, and let's get started.
We're going to finish up cleaning up our halibut fillet. Basically going to take the skin off the backside. We got a little, this is off a 15-pound halibut, really nice size fillet. I've got this Cast King knife that bought on Amazon. It's been a pretty solid knife. Kept a sharp edge for most of 2 halibut, but a sharp fillet knife is the most important thing. It makes it so much easier to get the skin off of these things. So I just like to sharpen it up with the steel a little bit before you get going. And then I find it easy just to keep the fillet, keep it close to an edge of a counter so that you got room to kind of move your knife through. And if you think about the size of your fillet knife, this is a small fish. Some of the bigger fish, I mean, this fillet knife will get pretty short here. So keep it close to the edge of the cutting board, your cutting surface. And then basically, I like to start at the small end for some reason. It's kind of where I always start. And you want to get, you kind of get a little start going. Try not to cut your finger doing that. And then once you got that kind of started, you can see you got a little piece to grab a hold of. And then just keeping a slight pressure down, pulling back. Keep the knife going through. Keep pushing down and pulling on the bottom of the skin. I don't know if you can see, I kind of got the knife pointed down. The skin is pretty tough, so you're not going to cut through it. And I just keep that going, kind of a back and forth. I got the board resting against the sink edge there. And then just keep shoving that through, keep pushing down the way. I fell off the board, pull it back, and there you go. And then at the end, you pull that off, and you got a skinned halibut fillet. You can kind of leave that fat on there. It leaves some good flavor. And then you discard your skin, and there you go.